Factorization is one of the interesting chapters in mathematics. Most of the students love to do factorization, but they avoid grouping factorization. Because this type of factorization has lots of tricks. So today I share a complete package of tricks which will definitely help you to do the sums. Let's see first trick of grouping. First trick of grouping is first grouping and then use formula to form a perfect square or a perfect cube, and then use these three formula, that is a square minus b square, a cube plus b cube, or a cube minus b cube. So now we take an example for these tricks, that is a square minus 2ab minus c square plus b square. Now we follow the first tricks, that is grouping. Now we arrange this term a square, 2ab and b square in a bracket. We group these terms, and c square Now number 2, use formula to form a perfect square or perfect cube. So here this gives us a minus b whole square. It's a perfect square, and minus c square. Then we apply this formula here. Then we apply this formula for this sum, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it is a minus b plus c into a minus b minus c. Now we move to the second tricks. Second tricks is first we do grouping, then take common, and then take common again. So let's illustrate with an example, that is ab minus b square plus bc minus ca. Now first of all we do group these terms, ab minus b square plus bc minus ca. Now take common from the both, that is b is common, then a minus b, and here c is common, that is b minus a. So these terms are not similar, so we can convert b minus a into a minus b, that is minus c of a minus b equal to a minus b. So we take common the third common, that is a minus b. We get a minus b as common, so we get b and then c. Now it is the factorization of second tricks. Now we move to the third tricks. First of all we do grouping, then use formula for each group, and then take common. So the example is a square into 1 plus a square plus 2ab plus b square into 1 minus b square. Now first of all we remove the all brackets, multiply, now we start the steps, that is first step is grouping. So we can group this term, and this term, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now we group this term and this term. So plus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Now as usual it gives a plus b whole square, and then we use the formula for the each group. Step 2, that is first is perfect square, and then second formula is a square minus b square, that is a square plus b square into a square minus b square. And then it can be factorized in two terms, that is a plus b and a minus b, and this is a plus b whole square. So here we can clearly observe these term and these term are common, so we can write a plus b into a plus b plus a square plus b square into a minus b. Now we move to the fourth tricks. It completed, that is take common. Now we move to the fourth tricks, that is split one term and then grouping and then use these formulas. So let us introduce by the example, that is a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 minus 623. So first of all, step 1, that is split one term. So 623 can be split into minus minus 625 plus 2. So we can apply this splitting for this sum. We can write a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 minus 625 plus 2. Now step number 2, that is grouping. We can group three terms, that is a to the power 4, 1 by a to the power 4 and 2. We group these terms. And minus 625. So here we observe this is a PS, that is perfect square. 2 into a square plus 1 by a square plus 1 by a square whole square minus 625. So use a square plus 1 by a square whole square minus 25 whole square. So we can apply this formula here, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So step 3 is completed, and this sum is also completed. So now we move to the next trick. In this trick, first we use grouping, then addition or subtraction of the terms, and then take common. So the example is a into 1 by b plus a cube plus b into 1 by a minus b cube. So now first of all remove the brackets, a by b plus a to the power 4 plus b by a minus b to the power 4. Now grouping, first step is grouping, so we can group these terms. This term and this term can be grouped, and this term and this term can be grouped. So then addition or subtraction, next step is addition or subtraction. We add this term. and here we can apply this formula, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can apply this formula here. We can write a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Now it clearly gives us these two factors, that is a square plus b square and a square plus b square here. So we can common, step 3, take common. So we can common a square plus b square, then we get 1 by ab plus a square minus b square. Now we move to the next tricks. Here split in two terms, then apply formula, then take common. So the example is a cube plus 4a square plus 8a plus 8. So in this sum, we can split these two terms, that is 4a square into 6a square minus 2a square and 8a square, 12a minus 4a. So we can write the terms in solving this. A cube plus 6a square minus 2a square plus 12a minus 4a plus 8. So number 1 is completed. Split two terms of the expression. Then we group this a cube minus 6a square plus 6a square plus 12a plus 8 and minus 2a square minus 4a. So apply formula. We can apply the formula. We can apply the formula here, a plus b whole cube, that is a square plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Now we can apply this formula for this. That is a plus 2 whole cube minus 2a common, a plus 2. So now we have to go for the step 3, that is take common. Here a plus 2 is the common term, that is a plus 2 into a plus 2 whole square minus 2a. Now we split this term, a square plus 4a plus 4 minus 2a, a plus 2, a square plus 2a plus 4. Now move to the next trick. Introduce one or more than one terms and then grouping, then take common and take common again. Avoiding these tricks, avoid the zero factorization. This is hard for the students. So let us see the example. X to the power 4 plus x minus 2. So here we introduce so many terms in this sum. Here x is x to the power 4 minus x square plus x square plus x minus 2. So here we introduce these two terms, and then from the first two terms we take common x square, so we get x square minus 1, and then remaining terms can be factorized by middle term factorization. So we apply middle term factorization for the expression. Now we split this term into a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. And now we completed first two steps, and then these steps also, this is common, and last step is take common again. So here we clearly observe that this term is common from the both of the expressions. So x minus 1 x square x plus 1 plus x plus 2 x cube plus x square plus x plus 2. Now we move to the next trick. Grouping. Then first in this trick, first step is grouping, second is form two perfect square or perfect cube and then use these formulas. So let us see the example. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x into x plus 1 plus 9y into y plus 3 plus 28. First of all, we remove the brackets from the expressions. X square minus plus 9y square plus 27y plus 28. Now first step is grouping, so we can group our terms. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and 1 plus y cube plus 9y square Second group is y cube plus 9y square plus 27y plus 27. Here 28 gives us two terms, that is 27 and 1. So now we move to the second step, form perfect square or perfect cube. Here we form perfect cube, that is x plus 1 whole cube plus y plus 3 whole cube. And now we can apply this formula and complete the third step, that is x plus 1 plus y plus 3 into x plus 1 whole square minus x plus 1 into y plus 3 plus y plus 3 whole square. The final answer is x plus y plus 4 into x square plus y square plus 5x plus 7 minus xy minus y. Now we move to the next trick. this is a last trick for grouping. First of all, one is split one or more than one term. Number two is grouping. Number three is addition or subtraction of the terms, and then four take common. So let's see the example. A plus B by C plus B plus C by A plus A plus C by B plus 3. The split 3 into 3 term, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we can write A plus B by C plus 1, B plus C by A plus 1, A plus C by B plus 1. Now number 1 is completed, number 2 is completed. Move to number 3, that is addition. Here subtraction is not given, so addition we can do, add the expressions, that is C, A plus B plus C. Now this is A, B plus C plus A. Now A plus C plus B. So we clearly observe that A plus B plus C, these three terms are common in the expressions. So number 4 is take common. So we take common A plus B plus C from the expressions. We get 1 by C plus 1 by A plus 1 by B. I think this video eliminates your fear of grouping factorization. It gives a complete idea of grouping type of factorization. So be versatile. Good luck.